here we have it, folks. The cheapest Honda Grom I could find on the day I decided to buy a Honda Grom.
Oh, it feels good. 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 Oh, it feels good.
And it's not perfect. It was cheap. It's got problems, but they're easily fixed. And parts for this thing are cheap. So why don't we go over what's actually wrong with it? Let's say it probably hasn't had the easiest of life, this thing. And yeah, it's got a couple of bit of a breakage there. Bit of a scuff there, and there, and there. And this was actually completely out of alignment, the headlight, but I've managed to pop that back in. The indicators are all cracked and just about ready to fall off. The mirrors are all scuffed. But the general bodywork's in quite good condition. It's a bit dirty at the moment. As you can see, I've already added a eBay exhaust. This bike was completely stock when I got it, and it's only done 2,300 kilometers. I've done 170. That's not right. I've done about 170 Ks on it, and I'm quite liking it. But first things first has to be to repair this, repair the damage, give the bike a good clean, and complete the roadworthy, which I haven't quite done yet. But yeah, as I said, I've already added the cheap $100 eBay exhaust, which I've just put the silencer back in because of the simple fact it was actually too loud. Yep, it was too loud by a lot. So yeah, there you have it. There's the new Steed. You'll probably be seeing a fair bit more of it. And the as I say, I've got parts on order to repair that, replace that, source some different indicators and some different mirrors, probably some different levers. Because one thing with the Grom is that the clutch feel is just junk. So that's something I need to deal with. But yeah, I think you're going to be seeing a fair bit more of this little machine. So keep your eye out for some more videos, because I've already been having quite a lot of fun with it. Bike. Now if you like what you've seen, over there is a subscribe button, down there is a Patreon button, and down there is another video for you to watch. So click one of those. Woohoo!